What is HR document automation, and how does it simplify employee document requests? In many organizations, HR teams still manage employee document requests through emails, shared folders, and manual follow-ups. Employees raise requests for such documents without knowing the right process. HR teams spend hours creating documents manually, collecting approvals, chasing signatures, and tracking versions. The result is inconsistent compliance, lost HR productivity, and poor employee experience due to delivery delays. HR document automation brings structure and efficiency to how employee documents are created, approved, delivered, and managed through compliant document workflows. Employees request documents through a single self-service portal using standardized forms. Documents are generated automatically using templates and employee data, reducing manual effort and errors. Approvals and e-signatures are built into the document workflows, ensuring faster sign-offs and compliance. HR teams track every document request end-to-end without emails or spreadsheets. The impact is clear. Document operations become compliant and consistent at scale. HR productivity accelerates, and employees experience faster, more reliable service. Looking to enrich employee experience with HR document automation? See how Freshservice can help.